Hey, it's Brian and Mika from Hgtv, and we are so excited to be here in New York.
And to celebrate 5 great seasons of 100-Day Dream Home, we're gonna be testing out 5 iconic New York foods, and I'm hungry, so let's get it going.
Bring it on. All right, what's up first?
I have a 1 cheese pizza for Brian and Mika.
You found us. Hey, safety first. Thank you so much.
Okay.
What do we got here?
I mean,
Oh, nothing more iconic than New York style pizza.
okay.
Isn't there like a special way to eat this?
I think you fold it or something.
I thought you roll it.
You do you, I'll do me.
All right.
Yours got a little crunch to it. Mine's like not doughy, but not too crispy.
We're eating the same pizza.
Yeah, but we didn't pick the same piece. No, Brian, this is how you're supposed to do it, like this, like this.
All right, here. Why is New York City pizza so good? You know what I heard? It's the water that they use in the dough.
It's pretty darn good.
Hey, how are we rating this? 1 should probably be my cooking. 5 should be like my mom's cooking.
Yeah, well, since your cooking doesn't exist, that would be more like a 0. However, we'll go with that. I'm gonna give this a solid 3 because I do feel like this is a good foundation. It's given us kind of a little appetizer of New York. However,
You're starting to talk like you're from New York after eating a half a slice of pizza.
you know, I don't really know. I feel like I could add a little bit more pepper, a little bit more spice.
More toppings. I would have given it a 4.5. No toppings. I would have given it a 3.5.
I don't think you can come to New York and not have pizza. Like, you have to.
You have some slice pizza.
All right, so we agree on that. All right.
At second taste, I might go 4. It's really good.
Okay, well, we got some other stuff to try out. I'm sticking with my 3. This place got borders, so is this about to be messy?
It probably is.
I have a falafel sandwich for Brian and Mika.
Yeah, Mika's paying for this one.
Oh, falafel sandwich.
Falafel what?
You know what? That's a fun word to say. Falafel.
I thought you said waffle at first. What is a falafel?
Thanks. Oh, I
Thank
didn't.
you. Oh, we forgot to pay.
I didn't even give her a tip. Can you spell falafel?
Ladies first.
Hey. Okay, so I have a plate with borders, but it comes in a little box, so I feel like I don't even need to dirty a dish right now.
Ready?
Do I need utensils?
3, 2, 1.
Oh. What is this? Okay.
What is falafel?
Okay, New York. I don't know what y'all doing over here, but
I think I've seen these like on the street carts out there.
it looks like meat, but it also looks like it's a vegetable.
Is that spicy?
I don't know if you're gonna be able to handle this.
I thought you were gonna take a shot of it.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to handle this.
It smells spicy.
All right, let's go.
How do you eat this? Oh, see, I'm pouring. You're dipping?
I was gonna dip.
I'm gonna pour.
Nah, I'm
I
dipping.
feel like that's way too much sauce. What kind of meat is this?
I've never had a falafel.
I've never had falafel before.
And I can't even damn spell falafel. Here we go.
Ladies first. Should I go for it?
You ain't gonna like that red sauce. That is hot. Hold on. Okay, so what the heck is this?
Texture's weird. I don't think it's meat.
I don't know what you want to try to be because you kind of look like a hush puppy, but you're kind of looking like some broccoli to me right now.
It's a meatball. All right, Mika, moment of truth. What are you giving the falafel? 1 out of 5.
I'm actually gonna.
You're not gonna hurt its feelings.
Oh man, I might hurt New Yorkers' feelings, but I'm gonna have to give the falafel an awful.
I'm gonna go with a 2.
All right. I will give this hot sauce, on the other hand,
5.
a 5 out of 5 rating on being spicy. Okay.
It's too spicy for me. I need some more water here. That hot sauce is way too hot.
Oh.
Oh wait, we got a new delivery driver.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey, I could go for caffeine all the time. Thank you.
Oh, it's still.
Bagel with lox and cream cheese.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Feel how heavy that bag is.
All right, is this a weapon? Let's check it out. Ooh. New York Bagel.
That's one?
Hey. Like this.
That looks like a softball.
Dude, what the heck? I gotta see what's going on. Oh, yeah.
You know I don't drink coffee. Ever.
I'll take it.
I'll try it.
Let's try it. You know what? You don't
When
drink coffee?
in New York, you sip coffee.
I see what you're doing.
I hate coffee. You know I hate coffee.
I can't wait to see this. You don't need coffee, Brian. I don't know if I can be married.
All I drink is room temperature water. I'm the most boring person on
I'll
this
take
planet.
this because that's a freaking good coffee. Double fisted, let's go.
All right.
Dang, this is a big bagel.
It's huge. This is the biggest bagel I've ever seen in my life.
Whoa.
Oh, is that everything bagel?
This is like opening a Christmas present.
This bagel is everything.
Oh, it's
In every sense of the word.
What the heck is on it? How are you supposed to eat this thing though? Okay, I have TMJ.
I don't know if I can get my mouth open that big. So you almost have to stretch before you try this.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm not trying to say anything, but I cannot get my mouth around this whole thing.
You always got a big mouth when you're talking. You can't eat a
Yeah.
freaking bagel?
I'm gonna hurt myself.
All right, so that's not tomato. That's the heck is that?
Fish? I feel like this is New York City on a plate. Like
Which is everything. Just
everything bagel. You got lox. I mean, you got cream cheese. You got capers.
onion. Ooh.
Good. I didn't think I would like all this stuff together, but it's everything. I'm gonna go like, if not 5, like a 4.9. Oh, with the coffee though,
That's gonna make it a 10.
down to a 3.
For me, that takes this from a 5 to a 10.
Hang on. Maybe I'll like the coffee after I take a bite of the bagel. Maybe you have to do it like,
Dang, that's good.
nope. It just ruined the bagel.
I would say we've been to New York, what, at least 10 to 15 times, right?
Yeah.
Like family vacations, coming to see shows. I don't feel like we've explored the possibilities of food in New York.
I have a delivery.
Oh,
It's
snap.
about time.
Whoa.
Sandwich with a pickle on the side.
Pastrami.
What? Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All I know is I heard pickle on the side, and you know what I always say, give them the pickle.
We haven't paid for any of this food yet.
This is the best
She keeps delivering food,
City
but doesn't collect the
ever.
money. I know.
pastrami sandwich with it. Oh, snap.
Oh, okay.
Hold up.
That's like
Hold up, hold
classic New York right there.
Now you're speaking my language. Wait, let's put it on the plate.
Pastrami sandwich.
So let's talk about what's on this classic New York sandwich, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pastrami, you got the pickle on the side. What else they got going on here?
Pastrami on rye.
No, I don't know if it's rye, but
I think that's, I don't know, special sauce.
it looks
Ready?
like it got some mustard too, so let's check it out.
Ready?
Yes.
On the scale of 1 to what are we giving the pastrami? That was 5.
That's 5.
Plus my 5.
Man.
That's a perfect 10.
All right, but I'm gonna sound really dumb because please don't judge me. I don't really know.
You don't know what pastrami is?
No, but it's freaking delicious.
I have no idea either.
Okay. Oh,
What do we got now?
2 slices of cheesecake with strawberries.
Oh, hang on one second. I've been really concerned about you lately.
safety first.
Yeah, safety first. Like,
There you go.
be careful out there.
Thank you.
Hey, we still have not paid her for one thing yet.
Well, she's being kind of sweet because she brought us some sweets. So, oh snap!
Oh, excuse me. You didn't bring any for Mika.
Hey, give me that.
No, I ordered 2.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about.
You ready for this New York cheesecake?
Okay, wait, Brian. Wait
What?
a minute.
What?
Because I feel like after you have a really good meal in the city, right? You got that New York cheesecake, but you gotta have a little beverage to go with it.
Milk.
No, just give me a second. No.
You
Milk is not the
need
right answer.
milk with cheesecake.
No.
What are you getting? I'm not gonna wait much longer. You better hurry. Mika, 3.
Oh my God, there's a reason I've never been a server.
Oh gosh, this was not a good idea.
Here,
You would never make it as a server in the city.
they would totally fire me. Yes! A Manhattan, come on! Oh, I've always wanted to have one of these fancy drinks.
Aren't you supposed to like do a pinky or something? Like,
Every movie scene, all the cool shows, they always have this
A Manhattan.
cool Manhattan. I don't know about that
I think you're
pinky.
supposed
Is
to go
that a thing?
pinky out and then eyebrow up.
Wait, but do you first take a sip of the drink? I mean, let's try the cheesecake and then like
I
wash it
thought
down
you
with
dipped the cheesecake in the
that. Well, we
Manhattan.
can try that too. Let's go.
Ready?
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is really thick.
This is what I've been.
Say what?
This is what I've been
Whoa.
waiting for. Like,
Whoa.
this is New York City.
That is some freaking thick, like
It's
legit
so
cheesecake.
rich and sweet.
Wait, I gotta wash it down.
Oh.
I'm not fancy. How do you drink out of this cup? Here we go. Hey, now I feel like we're true New Yorkers.
Cheers to New York City.
At least
I'm
for
going
the
for more
day.
cheesecake.
I'm going for more drink.
5 out of 5. No questions asked.
Yeah.
That's tough to beat.
Man, this is off the freaking charts. How about that?
Plus the Manhattan. Can we go higher than 5?
Can I get more than 5 of these? Thank you. That's got a little spice to it. What is in that damn drink?
I'd like to propose a toast to broadening our taste bud horizons together here in New York City.
New York.
Here's to 5 iconic foods in New York City, and here's to 5 pretty iconic seasons of a 100-Day Dream Home.
Let's go.
I'll drink for that.
I feel
drink that.
fancy. That was not the way you're supposed to drink that, but that's okay.
Pinky out. Pinky out.